Look, we made it. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh?
So do the thing.
What thing?
Thing where you're like, hey, if you're new around here, I'm Kevin. That's Josie behind the camera. We film weddings, music videos, do some behind the scenes stuff. Sometimes we do camera gear, that sort of thing. So do it.
Hey guys, if you're new around here,
Awake all night. I need you awake all night.
Our flights have 2 Los Angeles today. It's 5 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you for your attention. Welcome aboard.
To fly with us today. Enjoy your stay here in Los Angeles and wherever your final destination may be. And if this is home, welcome home.
oh hi, just landed in LA. Let's go check out the Airbnb. Got a little porch area out here. Pretty nice. Kitchen. Got a lot of space. Josiah might cook me dinner there tonight. Maybe. Hopefully. We'll see. After you get the bedrooms. Future reference, don't always pick the first bedroom that you come to in a house, no matter how nice it looks. That's mine. There is no bathroom. This is Josiah's. And he's got a bathroom in here. I don't know what's... Dude, come on. You can't read. What are you trying to... Alright, now we gotta get a bathroom in here, so that's pretty much it. Airbnb over hotels every day. And now for some tasty B-roll. We just finished up at a winery with a couple, Cody and Stephanie. We met them for the first time. They are awesome to work with. We had a really good shoot, kind of a mini shoot, while another photographer was doing a kind of theme session with them for something else. So we jumped in on that, got a couple shots from there. Now we are at Malibu State Park. We're not in it, we're near it. Josiah's gonna drone out here, and here's the park, and we're here. So we're not in it, so you're not allowed to do that. All right, so we're gonna get some cool scenery shots, and we'll probably hit you with some of that B-roll right now.
Lit a match, closed the door, waited for the flash. Greyhound station, paid in cash. It's Lazarus, we're coming back. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We've been in this town for far too long. They say it's darkest before the dawn. We're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on. Sunset, no regrets. First chance, last dance, stuck in the middle, even bad girls, no good love. You taste so sweet, it hurts a little.
Well, the day is done. It's time for bed. Alright guys, so it's currently 5 a.m. here on the West Coast, 8 a.m. back on the East Coast, our normal time. This morning we're going to head down with Stephanie and Cody to Victoria Beach, a spot they helped us pick out. We're going to shoot a little engagement session with them for the wedding film. Then later we're going to head to downtown LA, scope out the city, see what we can find there. But first, before we leave this morning, I got to go freshen up.
We've been in this town for far too long. They say it's darkest before the sunset, no regrets. First chance, last dance, stuck in the middle, even bad
So we just finished up here. We're at Veronica Beach. We shot a morning session with Cody and Stephanie for the wedding tomorrow. We were out on the rocks, got some awesome shots on the rocks here. We had them running across the beach behind us. There's like a tower over there we shot with them a little bit. So just some general cool B-roll shots that we're gonna cut in with our wedding film. So we're gonna wrap up here, get some more B-roll, go to the car, and we're gonna head downtown this afternoon.
I've been so low, felt the wind blow like I was a screen door in a thunderstorm. Yeah, I've been down, you've been laid out, but you always were what I came here for.
Oh, hey, I can see you there. So, it's wedding day. Yesterday, we went to the city in the afternoon, we went to LA, spent more time driving into the city. Traffic sucks, by the way, than we did spending time in the city, but we spent about an hour and a half in there. It was pretty cool for what we got. We visited a bunch of different locations, went out and scouted some other locations. So today's wedding day, we're gonna pack our stuff up. We're gonna head over to the venue a little bit early. Josiah's gonna get some drone shots. I'm gonna maybe shoot a little bit of B-roll while we're there. And then 10 o'clock we start with the couple. So I'm excited to get started with this.
Anything, I can say that this cab was rare, but I thought, man, forget it. Yo, home from Bel Air.
So sometimes in video production, you gotta get a little crafty. Like when someone, I'm not gonna mention any names, Josiah, forgets barn doors at home for the light. So we went to a photography store and we got some, it's just some like thick cardboard basically, cut into 4 pieces with some gaff tape. And then it allows us to kind of spot the light a little bit better than with nothing. And then we can also dial it back on here a little bit to kind of get exactly what we want. Or you can just kind of close these in a little bit and re-gaff it if you want more of a spot. But things don't always work out how you want to, so sometimes you just gotta do it on the fly. So we had a great day with Stephanie and Cody. The wedding went amazing. I want to talk a little bit about the lighting for the speeches. We only brought 1 light with us because just with traveling, we couldn't bring them anymore. So as we showed you with the barn doors earlier, what we made, we put the light right behind the speaker for the speeches and gave them a hair light. And as you'll see in some of this footage, it gives a great separation on the background and really sets off that shot. It takes the production value to a whole new level. So it's just something you always want to look at is how you can find better ways to light things, because that's half the battle with weddings is finding the right lighting for it. So we're going to go back in. We haven't even started dancing yet, so we're going to get some of that. We're going to have a great night, and we're going to wrap up here. So we had a really good day yesterday with our wedding with Stephanie and Cody. We got a lot of great footage. I was super tired last night. We were trying to film the last part of the vlog, so I was really out of it. But it's Saturday today. We're gonna meet Josiah's good friend from college, Jamie. He's gonna be here about 20 minutes or so. We're gonna go get some breakfast, then we're gonna cruise around California, just kind of see some sights. He's gonna show us a little bit. We're gonna get some more B-roll, just kind of explore a little bit today. It's our last day here, so we're really excited just to go out and enjoy ourselves.
Welcome to LA, yo. You got everything that's glamorous, but you just got bugs everywhere.
You can eat In-N-Out Burger like real often and it won't affect you. If you try eating Five Guys more than like once every 2 weeks, like it's just gonna like wreck you. It's so
downtown San Diego, LA.
Look, we made it. Welcome Jamie Rose video vlog. It's a little better than the Josiah and Kevin vlog. I'm not really sure their official name. Yeah, they can fly drones, but we're like hella cute. So yeah, just get some stuff on the beach and cruise around Joan Hermosa a little bit, and then just head up to Palos Verdes and find a cool spot. Right on. Drive safe.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed taking this adventure with us. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Just a feeling buried in a pack of no good love. It tastes so sweet, but it hurts.